Hi, my name's Diana Harris, and we are building the Addison P floor plan, me and my husband Jason. The thing that set Shaw Homes apart from the other builders were they got back to me the quickest out of any of the other builders we spoke to, and they honestly had the most choices for floor plans, and they were just above and beyond helpful. And when you're trying to do something from another state and you're nervous for a big purchase, it's been really comforting that they've just gone above and beyond what anybody else did, and I really appreciate everything they've done. For someone that's looking to build, I would definitely say don't hesitate to call them. There was no pressure in this process from the first time that I talked to Colton up into the time of us, deciding we wanted to go with Shaw and signing the contract. It was, he was helpful. He answered all of the questions. He, didn't hesitate to, get us information that he maybe didn't have directly there and get back with us. But it was no pressure, and that was, definitely something that we really, really liked about the whole process. And then when we moved to the design studio process, we worked with Paula, and she got back to us quickly with, setting up appointments, answering questions. Since we are out of state, it's definitely been a good experience. So I would say, it never hurts to call and ask. You can ask all the questions, and they're very kind and not trying to pressure you for a sale. The best part of the experience with Shaw Homes has been the excellent customer service that we've received from the first contact all the way up through what we've done so far in the design studio. Everybody has been extremely helpful. My husband's actually in the Marine Corps and is stationed out of state, and we're building our retirement home, and so just everybody has been so helpful and has corresponded with us over the phone and up into me being here in the design studio. So it's been a great experience.